It is a great and very interesting task, and the task and we can meet and only by arranging and this type of activities for the students, and not only passively listening to the lecturer and actually involving in experiments, and particularly and this remote experiments, and that will have a cutting edge and students in knowing about the of the subject. And I hope and this will go a long way in preparing the students and infusing the interest in the students about the subject, and also the whatever the prerequisites required for understanding the subject. I wish you all the best of luck, and I congratulate Department of Mathematics for organizing this type of event. I once again wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now I request our head Department of Mathematics, Professor V. Lakshmi Prasannam Garu, to welcome the participant for today's event.
Respected Principal Sri M. Ramesh Garu, Director Sri Vemur Baburao Garu, and my colleagues and Deputy Head of the Department Baburao Garu, and my dear students, it is very great pleasure to welcome you all to the event Mathematical Modeling, which is organized by Department of Mathematics. The aim of the event is to spread awareness about the practical use of mathematics and to improve critical thinking in students. I am happy to see that around 45 students of first year BSc are participating in this event. I congratulate all the participants for their love and enthusiasm for mathematics. I appreciate the effort taken by the faculty of the Department of Mathematics, particularly Sri Putta Baburao Garu and Sri A. Venkatesh for conducting this event. I thank the management, administrators of the college for their continuing support. I wish the participants best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
May I request Dean Professor Rajesh C. Jampala Garu to give message on this occasion. Okay, thank you, sir. May I request Sri P. Baburao Garu, Deputy HOD and Vice Principal to speak some words to this event.
So, good morning to one and all, respected principals, Dr. M. Ramesh Garu, our beloved director, Vemuri Baburao Garu, and our HOD, Srimati Professor Lakshmi Prasannam Garu. So, I welcoming once again to the inaugural section of this program, particularly preparing of mathematical modeling. So, I congratulate first of all the students take interest to participate this type of event, particularly in this situation, in this COVID situation. I heartfully congratulate those who are taking initiation and participating and preparing mathematical modeling. So definitely your sincere effort will give the more subject knowledge. What are the concepts involved in critical thinking of the subject? Definitely you may across a good knowledge and experience. So in your future success. So that's why I congratulate all of my department members to initiate this type of program, particularly Sri P. H. Chakravarti Garu and A. Venkatesh Garu is going to arrange this type of activity today's program. That's why I congratulate P. H. Chakravarti Garu and A. Venkatesh Garu, because P. H. Chakravarti Garu is going to retire on this month on 26th. So he served around 31 years of service in our college. So we are dedicating this program to Sri P. H. Chakravarti Garu. So thank you one and all for participating, and I hope the program schedule will continue with the help of Sri A. Venkatesh. So thank you very much for participating this type of event for particular students, and ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి, డైరెక్టర్ గారికి, మేడం గారికి కూడా నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఒక్క 5 minutes శాంపిల్ గా ఒక 2 మోడల్స్ ని మీకు చూపించిన తర్వాత డీటెయిల్డ్ గా టెక్నికల్ గా వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోతారు సార్. ఒకసారి ఒక 5 minutes అది ఫస్ట్ పిల్లల్ని చేసేది కొంచెం చూడమని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఈ సందర్భంగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న. వెంకటేష్ హలో.
Sir, thank you, sir. We are all blessed that you have taken your valuable time to bless us. Now, vote of thanks by K. Anupama.
హలో, ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఆ పిల్లల్ని ఒక ఇద్దరిని స్టార్ట్ చేయమన్నాం అనుకున్నాం కదా.
ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చేస్తారు సార్.
సరే సార్. అంటే మాస్టర్ వాళ్ళు అప్పుడు వెయిట్ చేయాలి కదా.
Now, vote of thanks by K.
One and all.
K.
Good morning to one and all. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks. I, on behalf of the Department of Mathematics of PB Siddhartha College of Arts and Science and students, a hearty vote of thanks to our Principal Dr. Meka Ramesh Garu, Dean Professor Rajesh C. Jampala Garu, Director Sri V. Baburao Garu, Vice Principal Sri P. Baburao Garu, Head of the Department Professor V. Lakshmi Prasannam Garu, who graced this event. I thank the management of Siddhartha Academy of General and Technical Education for their kind support in organizing events like this. I thank all the organizing secretaries, Sri P.S. Chakravarti Garu and Sri Akurati Venkatesh Garu. I thank all the faculty members for their cooperation. Finally, I thank all the students for their active participation to make this event grand success. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. I request all the members to view the models represented by our students. First student name L. Leela Vamsi, roll number 203617. Leela Vamsi.
Yes, sir.
To present your model and explain about that one.
Good morning, one and all.
Video on.
Yes, sir. On చేశాను సార్.
Okay, right.
Good morning, one and all. I'm very pleased to hear and thanks to giving this opportunity. And this is my model, sir. It's a type of I want to explain that about symmetry about this model. This model shows that symmetry. This model shows about the symmetry, sir. Sir, with your permission, can I speak in Telugu, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
అందరికి నమస్కారం అండి. మనం మన జీవితంలో ప్రతి చోట మ్యాథ్స్ అనేది ఉపయోగిస్తూ ఉంటాము. అది న్యూమరికల్ గా కానీ, అది లేకపోతే జామెట్రికల్ గా కానీ ఉపయోగిస్తూ ఉంటాము. సో మనం ప్రతి చోట మ్యాథ్స్ ఉపయోగిస్తూనే ఉంటాం, మార్నింగ్ లేచిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ పడుకునేదాకా. ఎలా అంటే మార్నింగ్ లెగిసిన తర్వాత మనం టైం చూసుకుంటాం, ఇట్స్ న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ, టైం అండ్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటాం, ఇట్స్ క్వాంటిటీ, ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో అండ్ మ్యాథ్స్. సో నేను ఈరోజు చూపించే మోడల్ పేరు ఏంటంటే ఈ మోడల్ సిమెట్రీని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుందండి. ఇక్కడ ఈ పేపర్ మోడల్ మనకి సిమెట్రీ అంటే మనకు తెలిసిందంటే ఒక ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ గానీ రెగ్యులర్ షేప్ ని 2 హాఫ్స్ గా కట్ చేసి దాన్ని సేమ్ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ కి డివైడ్ చేస్తుందండి. సో ఈ మోడల్ కూడా మనకి చూసుకున్నట్టయితే సేమ్ ఇలానే కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇలా కట్ చేసినా లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ మనకి క్యూబ్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఈ క్యూబ్ ని మనం ఎలా కట్ చేసినా అంటే సిమెట్రికల్ గా కట్ చేస్తే 2 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ అని వస్తాయండి. ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ రావటాన్ని అంటే 2 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ ని డివైడ్ చేయటం దాన్ని సిమెట్రీ అని అంటారండి. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి వేరియస్ షేప్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ అండ్ హెక్సాగన్, 6 షేప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. హెక్సాగన్. That's all, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you. Next, P. Hemant Kumar, roll number 203519. P. Hemant Kumar.
Yes, sir.
To show your model.
Okay, sir. Hi, sir. Good morning. Good morning to the principal, sir, and respected faculty. My name is Hemant Kumar from first MSCSB 2035 is my roll number. It is my mathematical model. It is which is useful to verify and check the formulas easily, and I take it as a derivatives in this side and their values on this side. It is usual like simply scroll చేస్తే ఇలా వాల్యూస్ మారుతా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఇలాగే నేను డెరివేటివ్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. అదే విధంగా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ పార్ట్స్ కానీ ఇంకా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ రేషియోస్ కానీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. That's all. Thank you for this. Okay.
Thank you. P. Lakshmi Kalyani, roll number 203267.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, one and all. Let me introduce myself to you. Myself, Lakshmi Kalyani from first MECS. 203267 is my roll number. Today, I am going to show you about Tower of Brahma. So, this Tower of Brahma is invented by the French mathematician Lucas in the 17th century. It is also called as Tower of Hanoi or Lucas Tower. So, this tower consists of the three dots with the number of discs and with different diameters which slide into the rock. So this puzzle starts with the stack which has the number of discs with the decreasing size which is approximately looks like the conical shape. The rules to be followed to perform this Tower of Brahma is only one disc should be moved at one time. Only one disc can be moved at one time. So second point is each move consists of the upper disc taking from the disc and moving into the empty rod or the another stack. Moving into an empty rod or another stack. So the last point is no other stack should be placed on the upper of the smaller radius. That means we should not keep like this. We have to keep on the under the smaller radius, higher radius should be kept.
What?
Sir,
Thank you.
ma'am has stopped. Sir, not completed, sir.
Okay, tell me.
So last but not the least, the mathematical formula for this puzzle is 2 power n minus 1. I have took 3 discs. Here n means number of discs. Here I took 3 discs. So that means I have to get 7 moves. I'll show you. So I'm taking this disc and kept in this. This is first move. This into this. This is second move. From this to here, this is the third move. From this to here, this is the fourth move. This is the fifth move. Sixth move. And seventh move. It is useful to problem solving. It is useful to the problem solving. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity to tell me this about this. To tell about this. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Now feedback by the students.
Good morning, sir. I'm Datri Srivalli.
Okay.
I feel it's an honor today to participate in this event, sir. And first of all, I'd like to thank our principal, sir, director, sir, and all the lecturers of Maths department for conducting this event. And I'm very happy to participate in this, sir, and hope we will participate in some other competitions like this. And I'm very happy to participate, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody is it? Okay. Now it's your time to present your models with your respective faculty members. So please join with us in respect to Zoom IDs. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Students, మీరు respective IDs ఉన్నాయి మన దగ్గర. The students can be divided into 3 groups. మీ respective group చూసుకొని మీ Zoom ID లోకి మీరు వెళ్ళిపోండి. వెళ్తే అక్కడ మీకు ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ ఉంటారు. అక్కడ మీ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇవ్వండి. ఓకేనా? విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మేడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెంకటేష్.
సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ బాబు గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ లక్ష్మీ ప్రసన్నం గారు.
సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.